Assalamu alaikum, and this is my second video for today. And do you know the a few days for 2 to 3 months I am very worried about my mobile phone, because when I upload any video, or if I upload a video, then my mobile phone hanging at the time of uploading any video. But I am fully dependent on online, and I have to learn in online. I have to learn in DSP group, Search English group. I am an entrepreneur also, so that is why I have to go to all the time. I have to stay on online. So if so that's why I am very worried about it, about this. But I am not irregular. I know the problem will be solved anyhow, but I am trying. I am keeping myself active. So I wanted to say about I forgot it, but it doesn't matter. I wanted to say about reading newspaper, the importance of reading English newspaper. Reading English newspaper every day, it is very good habit. I know that from my childhood, but I was not interested about reading English newspaper, because I thought that I don't understand English language, so why I would read newspaper. And the interest is the interest about reading English language, that is very important. After finished my reading syllabus journey, I was feeling that yes, I will be able to read English newspaper. The confidence has came in my mind. The confidence has came in my heart, that yes, this is possible for me, and I have to read English newspaper. So did you understand that reading syllabus is much important for our confidence, for our self-confidence, for our for interest in English language. So after finished my reading syllabus journey, I started to read English newspaper. 5 May. In 5 May, sir said to me, no, not personally, sir said to me to read English newspaper on the in the comment of my post, that please read English newspaper every day if possible. And sir said to me to give minimum 1 hour for read English newspaper. Since I finished my reading syllabus journey, so I didn't feel uneasy or afraid for read English newspaper. I was feeling very good that I will read English newspaper. Really, it is very happy thing for me. So when sir said, after 2 days I started to read English newspaper. And do you know that at first day I have taken maybe 4 to 50 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes for each page of the newspaper. Second day I took 35 minutes for reading newspaper. And at the time, I mean within 1 month, I was increasing in my reading skill in English. Now May, the time was 5 May when sir said to read English newspaper. Now the time is July month. May, June, July, it's 3 months, and now I take only 8 minutes for each page of English newspaper. Did you understand that how much I am I became speedy in read English. And yes, I don't understand 100% meaning of newspaper, but that is no important. That is not much important that I have to do understand all of meanings. Now, still now, I don't understand 100% meaning of English newspaper, but day by day I am increasing. I understand that. This is important. I don't want to develop my English overnight. I just want to develop my English day by day. And we know that slow progress is better than no progress. That is why I am increasing day by day, slowly, and this is very interesting. And this is very interesting thing for me, because my I have a lot of dream. So my first dream is inshallah I will be expert in English one day. And I am learning. I am trying to learning from DSP group. I am learning from Rajiv Ahmed sir. And thank you so much. No more today. I have to I will make tea. Make a cup of tea for me and my younger sister. Allah Hafiz.